Do you know nearly 1 in 3 adults have some form of fatty liver disease, and most don't even know about it because there are no symptoms, no warning signs, just the silent damage which is happening to your liver, which suddenly shows up as elevated liver enzymes one day in your blood work. And here's the more shocking part, that your morning habits can either harm your liver or can significantly help in improving this fatty liver disease. And most people are thinking that fatty liver disease happens only because of drinking alcohol. Well, that is not true, because there are a lot of people who have never drank alcohol but still they get this fatty liver disease. And the real reason of this fatty liver disease is the poor lifestyle choices that we are making each and every day. Specifically, what you do in the first hour in the morning can significantly impact your liver health. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you this 10-minute morning routine that can help you to melt that fat around your liver, improve your fatty liver disease, and help you to flush out all the toxins from your system. And all this without any medications. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. Your liver is your body's main detox organ. It helps in filtering toxins, processing hormones, processing fats as well as sugars in your body. Literally, there are more than 500 detox processes which are happening in your liver each and every day. But when this liver gets overloaded with processed food, processed sugar, too much stress in our body, as well as poor lifestyle choices, then this liver starts storing fat around it. And this is what we call as fatty liver or hepatic steatosis. And when you go to your doctors asking about what you can do about this fatty liver disease, they will just simply say, well, lose weight and that is going to help you with your fatty liver disease. And rarely they will tell you some natural things that you can actually do today that will make a huge impact in improving this fatty liver. And today I'm sharing with you this simple morning routine that can kickstart your liver metabolism and get you on the journey of reversing this fatty liver. So let me share with you this simple morning routine. For most people, as soon as they are waking up, they are either reaching out for their coffee or tea. Well, your liver in the morning is not craving for caffeine. It is craving for hydration and also those antioxidant compounds to function better. The moment we wake up in the morning, our liver starts flushing out toxins from our system. During the night, toxins tend to accumulate in our system because a lot of our detox systems are not functioning optimally. So as soon as we wake up, our liver has to work really hard to remove all of those toxins. And if we don't support our liver functioning in the morning, that leads to this fat accumulation. When you're going for that coffee or tea in the morning, that caffeine in that tea or coffee, that raises your cortisol levels very quickly, as well as leads to dehydration in your liver. Both of these things slows down how your liver functions. So first thing, do not reach for that tea or coffee first thing in the morning. Instead, do this liver detox tea which I'm going to share with you right now. For this, you need 1 glass of warm water. You need 1 lemon or lime, fresh if possible. You need a pinch of turmeric powder and black pepper, and also a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. The reason this drink is very important because it has the right antioxidants and vitamin C which are coming from lemon, which is going to reduce inflammation in the liver as well as will help in bile flow in your liver. Turmeric and black pepper supports the liver health, and research shows that they can actually reduce the fatty liver enzymes. The cinnamon helps in insulin spikes and also reduces inflammation in your liver so that the liver can process sugar better. How to prepare this drink? You use 1 glass of warm water, not boiling water, and then you add a 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, and a pinch of black pepper, so that increases the absorption of turmeric. And in the end, you squeeze in 1 lemon or lime. If you do not have fresh lemon or lime, you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And you drink this first thing in the morning. After you are done drinking this drink, then you need 10 minutes of body movement. This body movement can simply going for a walk, or using a treadmill, or doing simple yoga poses also works over here. Now, I'm not talking about an intense workout. If you can do an intense workout, that is great, but even 10 minutes of gentle body movement is enough over here. Research shows that this gentle body movement, specifically in the morning, sends the signal to your liver to start functioning better. One of the function of liver is to make glycogen from sugar, and that glycogen ultimately gets converted to the fat. When you do this gentle body movement, it reduces insulin spikes and sugar spikes and sends the signal to your liver to start burning this glycogen. So that way your fatty liver reduces, and this also helps in losing that stubborn belly fat also. Now after waking your liver up with that morning drink, and then that 10-minute body movement kickstarts your metabolism in your liver, then it is time for your morning breakfast. What you eat in your morning breakfast is very important because that determines how much your liver can heal. So here's the rule for your morning breakfast. The morning breakfast should not have processed sugar or processed grain. It should be very low in sugar. It should be high in good quality protein. It should also have some high quality fats. So here are some examples of this breakfast which I'm talking about. Either you can have 2 boiled eggs with some sauteed vegetables and a bread toast. Make sure it is whole wheat or even better, gluten-free toast. The other option is replacing these eggs with any chicken or fish. But let's say if you're vegan or vegetarian, then what you can do in the morning is that you can eat half an avocado with some nuts and seeds like almonds and walnuts. The other options would be eating steel cut oats and adding to them some soaked chia seeds as well as some almonds and walnuts. And the other option could be making something from lentils, legumes, chickpeas in the morning and then pairing them with good quality fats like soaked chia seeds and some nuts and seeds. Make sure you avoid any kind of fruit or vegetable juices in the morning because they all will do an insulin spike. Also avoid high carbohydrate cereals or processed cereals in the morning also. Adding liver supporting foods like turmeric, ginger, beetroots, green leafy vegetables with your morning breakfast will make it a super house that is going to help in supporting your liver health immensely. Now in this aspect, if you want to supercharge your liver health and support your liver in reversing the fatty liver disease, one supplement can really be helpful, which is liposomal glutathione. Liposomal glutathione is a master detoxifier as well as master antioxidant that supports your liver health immensely. It helps your liver to process sugar better as well as helps your liver to flush out toxins in a better way. I have created this specific liposomal glutathione which you can buy. The link will be in the description. Adding this liposomal glutathione with the morning routine I discussed with you will help you in improving your fatty liver disease even more quicker way. Remember, reversing fatty liver disease isn't about just one supplement or one crash diet for just one particular day. It is all about some small changes that you can do in your lifestyle because those small changes have very major impact on your liver health. And that's what exactly I shared with you, this quick morning routine which is easy to follow, and if you do it on consistent basis, that is going to support your liver health on the long term basis. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.